Do you struggle with strategic planning? Are you tired of plans that sit on the shelf and never get implemented? Then it's time to discover the Hoshin planning and the X matrix. Hoshin planning, also known as policy deployment, is a strategic planning process that aligns an organization's goals, strategies, and resources towards a shared vision. The X matrix is a tool used in the Hoshin planning to visually display the relationship between an organization's goals, strategies, metrics, and action plans. With Hoshin planning, the organization starts by defining its vision and long-term goals. These goals are then broken down into yearly objectives and strategies that support them. The X matrix is used to align these objectives and strategies with the resources needed to achieve them. It also helps to track progress towards these goals. The result is a clear and concise strategic plan that everyone in the organization can understand and support. But how do you ensure that the plan is actually implemented? This is where the X matrix comes in. It helps to identify the metrics and action plans needed to achieve the objectives and strategies laid out in the Hoshin plan. By using the X matrix to regularly review progress and adjust plans as needed, the organization can stay focused and agile in achieving its goals. Let's look at an example of how Hoshin planning and the X matrix can be used together. A software company wants to increase its market share by, let's say, 20% over the next 3 years. They use Hoshin planning to break this down into yearly objectives and strategies. Such strategies could be increasing product features and improving customer support. The X matrix is used to track progress towards these goals, such as the number of new features implemented and customer satisfaction ratings. Regular reviews of the X matrix help to identify areas where the plan is falling short and adjustments are needed. For example, the company may need to increase its marketing efforts to achieve the desired market share, especially when the share needs to be growing. With Hoshin planning and the X matrix, the software company achieves its goals and increases its market share by 20% over the next 3 years. So, whether you're a leading large organization or a small team, Hoshin planning and the X matrix can help you create a clear and effective strategic plan that drives results. Start using them together today and see the difference it can make.